Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gusto, manage payroll and benefits step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.gusto.com and press enter. Once the Gusto homepage loads, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You'll be directed to a new page asking for your email address. Enter the email address associated with your Gusto account. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Next, check your email for a passwordless login link if you have set that up. If you prefer to log in with a password, click on Log in with a password below the email field. Enter your password in the provided field. After entering your password, click on the Login button. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication requirements for added security. Once logged in, you'll land on your Gusto dashboard. Here, you can manage payroll, benefits, and other employee-related tasks. Explore the various sections to familiarize yourself with the features available. To process payroll, click on the Payroll tab. Follow the on-screen instructions to manage your payroll process efficiently. For benefits administration, navigate to the Benefits section. Here, you can review and adjust employee benefits as needed. Make sure to log out after completing your tasks for security purposes. To log out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Log Out from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully logged in and managed payroll and benefits in Gusto. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.